Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at two dividend royalty stocks that are loved by top analysts. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at dividend royalty stocks. This means dividend aristocrats and kings. These are companies that have accomplished the impressive feat of paying out and increasing their dividend for 25 years for aristocrats and over 50 years for dividend kings. So when it comes to dividend stocks, if you're looking for growth and reliability, these dividend royalty stocks are a great place to start. We're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, of course those dividend details, and how the Wall Street analysts are weighing in. And today's stocks do include some buy ratings from some top ranked analysts. Don't forget you can follow along over on TipRanks.com or by downloading the TipRanks mobile app by using the links in the description down below. Now let's get right into our dividend royalty stocks. We're going to start off with our dividend aristocrat, General Dynamics. Their stock trades under the ticker GD and is currently priced at $250 per share. In the past year, they are only up a few percent, as they were on the decline here, hitting a low at the end of May, start of June, but have been climbing back up since. If we look at the last 6 months, they've actually gained 20.5%. The stock does currently score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score as well, with some increased hedge fund activity and crowd wisdom. General Dynamics is an aerospace and defense company. They provide the world's most technologically advanced business jets, wheeled combat vehicles, command and control systems, and nuclear submarines. They operate through 5 business groups with their aerospace, combat systems, information technology, mission systems, and marine systems. Due to ongoing geopolitical tensions, GD's core aerospace and defense businesses are benefiting from strong demand for military hardware and commercial aircraft. As a dividend aristocrat, General Dynamics has been increasing their annual dividend payment for 29 consecutive years. Their current dividend comes in at $1.32 per share on a quarterly basis for a dividend yield of 2.09%. They shared their last quarterly report back on October 25th, where they did come out with an earnings beat. For their third quarter, they did report revenues of $10.57 billion, coming in ahead of expectations, and earnings per share of $3.04 also beat estimates. That revenue grew 6% year over year. Their CEO noted that they continue to see strong demand and steady revenue growth across the business, resulting in significant growth in backlog. In fact, they had a record high $95.6 billion backlog. The General Dynamics stock has attracted quite a few ratings from 5-star analysts. One of them comes from Argus Research, who increased their price target last month. Argus analyst John Eade said that they were encouraged by recent progress in the company's aerospace segment as order rates and the backlog has improved. Over the long term, General Dynamics management is focused on driving growth through modest sales increases, margin improvement, and share buybacks. With 15 current analyst ratings, the stock does come in as a moderate buy, with 11 buy ratings and 4 holds. With an average price target of $272, that would be an upside of about 8.7%. When we just focus on top analysts, though, that does go up to a strong buy rating. Down below, we can see a lot of those 5-star analysts weighing in after that last earnings report. On the low end, we do have several price targets around 5% and 1 hold with a downside of 6%. On the high end, we have upsides of over 20%. Moving on to our dividend king, we're taking a look at Sysco. Their stock trades under the ticker SYY, currently priced just above $73 per share. When we look back at the past year, they are in the red, down 10%, but you can see they have been climbing back recently. In the last 3 months, the stock is up 7.7%. They also score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score, with bullish blogger sentiment and hedge fund activity increasing by over 1 million shares last quarter. Sysco markets and distributes a range of food and food-related products. They are a leading seller of food products to restaurants, educational facilities, and healthcare establishments. Their robust international network supports customers in 90 different countries around the world. Their company is broken down into 4 business groups, including their largest segment with their broadline, specialty companies, international, and Sigma. This dividend king has been paying and increasing their dividend for 54 consecutive years. And their current quarterly dividend comes in at 50 cents per share for a dividend yield of 2.72% and an ex-dividend date coming up in about a month on January 4th. And Sysco also came out with an earnings beat near the end of October. For their Q1, they reported earnings per share of $1.04, coming in 3 cents ahead of expectations. The company also reiterated their fiscal year guidance after they saw their sales increase a couple percent and gross profit increase 4.6%. A 5-star analyst from Deutsche Bank recently increased their price target on the stock. They bumped up their buy rating with a price target to $76, saying that the company is en route to improving their flow-through. The Sysco stock does currently have 13 analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy. With 11 buys and 2 holds, the average price target of $79 would be an upside potential of about 9%. And we just looked at top analysts, we get unanimous buy ratings with an upside of over 10%. Looking down below here, we do have a couple hold ratings recently coming in with a low-end price target that is fairly flat to current prices, and we do have several high-end price targets well into the double digits, around 19% upside. So there we have 2 dividend royalty stocks, both coming in with buy ratings from several 5-star analysts. Let me know your thoughts on these companies in the comments down below and what other dividend royalty stocks you love. I know there's a lot of great ones out there. Of course, please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just showing you what Wall Street is up to and providing some insight and entertainment. So please make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.